Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Keynsham today. Little pullback toy kit. I think that's that paper covered foam. £1.50. Shouldn't take many minutes. Sort of thing I'll put in the car to do when I'm waiting for Nanny. A couple more of these. These only take a few minutes to put together. Again, they'll sit in the car. Something to do when I'm waiting for Nanny. I'm assuming they're new and unused. Let's get a knife. Yep, still in the original packaging. When I've done them, I take them apart again, put them back in the bag, and take them to another charity shop so that somebody else can enjoy them. That one's 60 pieces. I noticed that one's got 109 pieces, but I think they got these tiny little spikes. They all count, I suppose, in the number count. Red lily and pink rose, £1 each. And then the real thing that I bought, I'm pretty sure I bought one of these not so long ago. Well, it would have been last year. And I think I took it apart and made use of the base. If it wasn't exactly the same, it was similar. It's just one of those random rocking things. So we need 4 AA batteries. I have an idea. The one that I had last time didn't work and I had to take it apart. It was only a broken wire, disconnected wire. I'll put a link in the video description. Yeah, I think I use this base for several things. What you've got in there is a bit of circuitry that there'll be a coil and it will send a pulse of electricity to the coil every so often. So it repels the magnets that are sitting on here. Oh, this might be fun to put together. Where are we? There's one. It's going to be like that. That's going to be like that. Is there actually instructions? No instructions, but we can look at the picture and try and work it out. And clearly that one is going to sit there. And that one is going to go in there. And then these, yeah, there's a hole there. And a hole there. That one doesn't want to go in. Going in there, all right. Magnet on there. Magnet there. Magnet there. Is that actually... that is clearing all right. No, it isn't. That's rubbing. Okay, there we go. So we get random movement. But I need to put something, a bit of card or something under there just to lift it up a tiny bit. Otherwise, it actually hits the surface. I was wondering whether I could make it solar powered. Need a fair size solar panel to give us, what's that, 6 volts we need. 6 volts and a fair bit of current. I'll find a bit of card to go under there. Yeah, that is all it needs, just a tiny bit. Well, there we go. I think that's all right for... where are we? Light's too bright. £1.99. I'll put a link in the video description to the previous one I had, which I think was very similar. I don't know if it was identical. Magnoids for inquisitive minds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.